What's going on, boys and girls? This Blackie Reeps KC here with another Black Ops 2 game, and I found this kind of funny because I kind of just joined late. I hopped on the PS3 and thought I'd play some Demolition, and I joined late and it was already 1-0 to us. And this game I go flawless, 25-0, but and I get a VTOL warship and they kind of get annoyed. So this is a theater mode, so yeah, just watch. This is pretty funny. I kind of spawn trap them. So yeah, I get in the back of their spawn, it's quite funny. And I thought these guys were going to be kind of good. But they're average, they're getting kind of annoyed because, just watch, I kind of go around here, it's so funny. Yeah? Okay, wait. Sorry, that's my dad. Yeah, it's so funny because, look at this, I get right in the back of their spawn and they're spawning all around me, it's so funny. This is so funny, watch this, ready? Oh my gosh. They were just spawning all around me. So funny. Look at this guy, he's just spawning right next to me. Get my lightning strike, put it right down in front of the spawn. Get a couple of kills. Oh, one. And then they're just all spawning around me. I'm just like, oh, this is the perfect game to get my VTOL. Surely I can get it. But, yeah, I do. And look at this. Look at the spawn. They're like, oh, they were speaking on the mic and they're like, oh, he's in the back of our spawn. Kill him, come on. This guy nearly died from this. But they weren't the best. No offense, they weren't the best. Picked up this PDW running out of ammo. But luckily I had a PDW. I probably would have got outgunned. And this is where I nearly get my VTOL here. Last one more kill away from the VTOL, and there was just thousands. I'm just like, which one should I go for? And yeah, the round ends, and at the end of the round I was 12-0, not that very good. I wonder if I would have stayed in the game a bit longer, I might have actually, well, got more kills. Ugh, it's kind of annoying. So yeah, we go into this overtime, and this is where I just use my VTOL warship on these guys. It's quite funny. I'll just fast forward to this bit till I use my VTOL. So yeah, I just sit in the back of their spawn so they can't kill me. Oh, I was kind of fail here. My internet was like kind of lagging out, and I was like, oh shit, am I gonna die? But then I just carry on. I don't know why I was aiming over there. I just should have just kept on spraying these guys. It's kind of funny. But I have watched these crazy spawn trapping videos. I'm not saying mine was good, but I've watched these crazy spawn trapping videos. They're in like full parties. They go like 200 plus and like 3 deaths. I'm just like, that's crazy. And they get like AGRs in the back of this spawn, and I'm just like, wow. But that was just a quick video, maybe about 4 minutes. But I do end up going 25-0. I know it's nothing that special, but I just thought it was pretty funny. I joined late, and I just wanted to play. I just wanted to show you this video, because we haven't uploaded in quite a while. So I've got another video uploading, which is 57-11, and that will come to you after this video later. So, see you guys. Peace out.